So as I'm sure you'll appreciate, Mrs. Burton is well happy with the fact that I've taken over our full driveway and converted it into a bicycle park. But something well exciting is happening this afternoon, so very excited. It's arrived! 3 guesses as to what it is. There's a slight clue. Here it is in all its glory. It's the new Scott Subcross 50. Got a common theme here, I know. Yes, it's my name, but also I really like Scott bikes. It's a 29er, 9-speed rear cassette, upgraded Waro XT cranks, upgraded pedals. It's got Shimano Dior LX hydros front and rear, and I can't wait to ride it. So lighting's pretty poor, as you can probably hear. It's absolutely chucking it down. So I can right under here. However, she's built 4 hours later and it's done. So a quick little walk around. Got the new EC90, which is a specialised replica saddle. Obviously everything that I did in the video before. Now this isn't actually a water bottle, this is a toolbox, but it fits inside the bottle cage, which is really handy. We've got new stuff frame bag, new light, this is my pièce de résistance, new mirror so I can see cars and Butthead when he's behind me. Everything's transferred over. Had a little issue with the rear brake, so I've swapped over the rear deor from the old bike onto here, because this brake's actually a lot better. And then check this out. So not only have we got a horn, we've got super bright lights and multiple settings. So certainly not going to have any issues seeing where we're going, and it's all controlled from the handlebar, which is really handy. The cool thing about this is it's a Temu special, but that literally just comes off and it'll go in the bag in here, frame bag mounted at the front. Just makes it good for when it's absolutely piddling it down like now, and I can take it off for storage. So yeah, she's built. I've taken it out the road very slightly and it's absolutely awesome.